Hey everyone, today we are making everybody's favorite appetizer, artichoke dip. It's a creamy, cheesy, hot-baked appetizer that we like to serve with bread slices, crackers, chips, or even fresh cut veggies. It is so delicious. I'm Lauren from TasteBetterFromScratch.com, where you can find this artichoke dip recipe and hundreds of other delicious recipes that taste better from scratch. I'm so excited to show you how to make this easy artichoke dip appetizer. It takes just 10 minutes to make and it's always the first thing gone at a party. We're gonna go ahead and grab a big mixing bowl and add all of our ingredients to it, starting with a half a cup of sour cream, half a cup of mayonnaise. If you wanna make this a little bit lighter, you could use plain Greek yogurt, you could use low-fat mayonnaise, and you could use low-fat cream cheese. We've got 8 ounces of full-fat cream cheese that I've let come to room temperature so it's soft. And then about a cup of freshly shredded Parmesan cheese. Make sure that you're using fresh shredded Parmesan cheese. It will melt much better than the pre-shredded store-bought kind. We're doing 1 clove of garlic. I'm gonna go ahead and mix this together before we add our artichoke hearts. I like to use an electric mixer just to help get everything nice and smooth. You can definitely just mix this by hand if that's easier. Now we're going to add a 14-ounce can of chopped artichokes. I'm using artichokes that were just in a brine or you can in water. I try to avoid marinated artichoke hearts as it changes the flavor of the dish a little bit. So we're gonna fold in our artichoke hearts and then just season it with a little bit of dill. You can use dried dill weed or a little bit of fresh dill and just do it till it tastes good to you. That's it, you guys. This was so easy. We're ready to put this in our baking dish. I've just lightly greased the dish and we're gonna pour it right in. I'm using a pie dish. You could use an 8-inch square baking dish or anything around the similar size. Whatever you have at home that's kind of a small baking dish will be perfect. If you're serving a big crowd, this is a recipe that can easily be doubled or tripled and bake it in a larger pan. You can even cook it in the slow cooker, which I will leave directions for in the video description. We're gonna top it off with a little bit of extra Parmesan cheese just to give it a nice little golden crust as it bakes. And I like to sprinkle a little extra dill on top as well. It makes it look pretty and taste great. That's it. That was so easy. Took me 5 minutes to make. We're ready to stick this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes, just until it's warm and bubbly and a little golden on top. It's hot and bubbling. Can you hear that sizzling? Oh, it sounds so good. It smells amazing. This is one of my favorite appetizers. We had this a lot at holidays growing up. But as I've gotten older, I bring it to every party, every chance I get. It's everybody's favorite dessert. It's always the first thing gone. You can even eat it cold. It reheats really well. This is such a great appetizer to make in advance. You can just make it, stick it in the fridge till you're ready to bake. It's super easy. You can even throw it in the slow cooker and keep it on warm until you're ready to eat. I love the chunks of artichoke hearts in here. It smells so good. There's a reason this is so popular. It is amazing. Thanks for watching, you guys. You can find the full recipe in the video description below. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my new videos where you'll find tons of other recipes that taste better from scratch. We'll see you next time.